In this segment, you will learn how to apply acoustical foams using Fusor 121 and Fusor 130. Benefits of using Fusor acoustical foams include closed cell appearance matching OEM performance, 10-to-1 expansion rate, sound deadening characteristics.
It is recommended that you begin by removing any necessary panels and using a drop cloth to protect the surrounding area against accidental drippage. Carefully cut off the leading edge of the cartridge tip. Insert the cartridge into a manual dispensing gun. Note: due to the thin viscosity of the material, a pneumatic gun is not recommended. Gently squeeze out a small amount of material to ensure that the foam freely flows from both ends of the tube. Then attach a mixing tip and dispense a small amount of material until uniformly mixed. Apply a bead of Fusor acoustical foam between the vibrating panels or into a cavity. Avoid dispensing material too quickly. Foam will expand approximately 10 times its original volume to fill voids or eliminate vibration. When sealing pillars or posts, apply a sufficient amount of Lord Fusor foam. Approximately 1/3 of a cartridge or more may be needed, depending on size and configuration of void. Remove the mixing tip immediately after usage and install supplied cartridge plugs to avoid pressure buildup. Use Fusor 121 when flexible anti-flutter foam is needed for applications such as door beams, roof bows, hood supports, or fuel door pockets, etc. Use Fusor 130 rigid acoustical foam when filling cavities in pillars, rocker panels, and floors. When reusing the original acoustical foam, use Fusor 800EZ to attach it to the new panel.
This completes the foam fill application procedure using Fusor acoustical foams. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fusor. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fusor distributor.